All right, business owners. Let's talk about how to save money and prep for an amazing 2025. I'm going to share some essential financial tips that you need to implement before the year wraps up. First off, review your expenses. Go through your monthly and annual costs and find those sneaky expenses that don't add much value. Get rid of what's unnecessary. Think of it as losing dead weight before a big race. Next, renegotiate contracts. Whether it's with suppliers, service providers, or landlords, there's likely room for better terms. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or better deals. You'd be surprised how many are willing to negotiate to keep your business. Another crucial tip: maximize tax deductions. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you're claiming all possible deductions. Every dollar saved is a dollar you can reinvest in your business. Let's talk about cash flow. Ensure you have a solid cash flow plan. Delay large purchases that aren't urgent, and accelerate receivables if possible. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business, so keep it healthy. Also, consider diversifying revenue streams. Look into complementary products or services that you can offer. It's a great way to create additional income and buffer against market fluctuations. Now invest in technology. Automation tools can save time and reduce costs in the long run. Whether it's accounting software or customer relationship management systems, these tools can streamline operations and boost efficiency. Finally, set clear financial goals for 2025. Have a roadmap with measurable milestones. This will not only keep you on track, but will also motivate your team to strive for success. Remember, the steps you take now will set the foundation for a prosperous new year. So, get proactive, make smart financial choices, and let's crush 2025. Hit that subscribe button if you found these tips useful, and leave a comment below on what your biggest financial goal for 2025 is. Thanks for watching, and good luck.